What up? Welcome to Installing a Bathroom Faucet by Eric. That's me. So you can get faucets and then you got to get other stuff that go with faucets. But the reason I get this one is because it comes with this. What is it? It goes in here. It goes in that hole. So take that stuff off. Take this in. Drop it in. Then we go underneath there and we screw it on. But we're not going to do that yet, because it's going to get in the way when we put in this. This is our faucet. That's how you say it in French. It is a faucet. Now, this comes with instructions. But we don't need instructions when you got me showing you how to do it. That's why you YouTube this thing, right? So if you look at it, it comes, they recommend you get a mop over here and a bucket. So I think these instructions were written by Cardi B. But basically, you just take it and you put it in the hole and you drop it down. But no one really wants to see that. You just want to see how it's done, because reading's for nerds. So put it in, center it how you want, then everything else happens down below. Hi, how you doing? So I'll show you how to do these things. They're pretty easy to do. They say use a crescent wrench. I use this. It's a locking pliers. I love locking pliers. It comes from years and years and years of having a boat. Locking pliers are very useful for owning boats. So all we're going to do is we're going to take basically a nut, put it on here, and pull it down so it stays nice and straight. I'll show you how to do it, hopefully, but I think I need some light. All right, so here we are. Got some good light, knocking stuff off. So this is the little fixture. This is a price fister one. You put it on like so, and then let's see if I can do it while holding a camera and one-handed. So that's literally how easy it is. So you put on this puppy here, and then you hand tighten. Oops. Put it on here and you hand tighten it. As you can see, it's super easy. But the neat part is I get to play this like a trumpet. I'm getting some good sound out of this tube. Yeah, buddy. So we get it up here, we kind of get it nice and finger tight. Then we go up here and see if it looks like heck or not. And it's also important when you're getting up, make a lot of good dad noises. See, and I had it off. See, now it's all wobbly again. Well, I'm not going to spare you the expense of watching me screw something. So I'll show you what the finished product looks like. And there we go. Nice and tight. You take the drain tube in, drop it there. Then it has this and this and this. It's very simple. Just put it on right like that and run it up and hand tighten it until it's good. And then I'm going to have a real person come, because I don't have any supply lines. But otherwise, all you do is you'd screw it onto there, screw it onto there, and run the thing into there, and boom, Bob's your uncle. So that's how you install a faucet.